baby ko yan eh. Paano ka mait ikaw? Buksan tayo ilaw. Yeah. My baby. Oy, may ant. I woke her up because I was actually I went out because I peed, and then when I came back I saw my door open, so I was worried that guineas might like follow and went out and then just roam around, and I could not find them anymore after that. But I was checking guineas around. I was trying to like stay quiet, and I shut my electric fan off to hear if there's like scratching that area. And then when I finally was able to hear a scratching sound inside the box, then I felt relieved because no, that's Guinea, and she woke up because I know I made a sound. Wait, I have to clean her bowl because there's a lot of ants here. Oh yeah, wait lang. Wait, she's like she's ano talaga. She's aware of her noise, of her loudness. Opo. So since my baby doesn't want to drink water, like the plain water, when I would put water in her bowl, she wouldn't. So what I'm doing to make sure that she is hydrated, I put water in her food so she won't have UTI. Apo, iit na yung baby kong yan eh. Water. Oo. And she would eat or finish her food with the water. So that makes me relieved because I know she's taking water that she didn't know. Wait, okay, let's mix it with your water. Oh, she's starved. But without me making any sound, or without me waking up or getting out of my bed, she wouldn't make a sound too. So she's considerate. Ay, ayan na. Ay, tigang ka na hindi ka na mahulog ang bebe ko So at first she won't like eat that, but later on, after returning back to that bowl multiple times, then she wouldn't have any choice but to eat her food with that water. So she would eat that later on, and she would leave her dry foods up, like half of her dry foods in the bowl, so it means that she drank the water. Here she's now getting more fat. She's not skinny. Kakainin ko to. Sige. Kainin mo na yung food mo. Kainin to ng langgam. Sige, kung wala ka ng food. Ang mga ants. plastic to. Plastic. Walang laman. Walang laman. Wala yan laman. Ha? Jump ka, jump. Plastic. I don't have. Ayan na yung food mo, oh. Eat na ikaw. Yung may muta ikaw, oh. Yung matain ko yan na, bebe. Wiki-wiki yan kasi eh. And by the way, you all time check. It's now 2:07 a.m. and it's Friday, July 25th. Yung mutain yan na, baby. Akin na nga muta ng baby na yan. Opo. Okay, tanggalin natin para ganda ikaw. Baby ak pa. Bay, patingin nga kung ganda-ganda ng baby ko. Patingin nga. Wow! Wow naman. Ganda-ganda na, oh. Ganda-ganda na yan siya. Ganda na yan, oh. Wala na mots. May anak pa. Meron pa po. Opo, meron. Konti. Opo, maliit na mots, oh. Okay na, why na? Patingin nga. Patingin ng bebe. Ayan, oh. Foods. Ayaw na. Ibigay ko to sa langgam. Langgam, oh. Oh, dagdagan natin. Ito, oh. Ayan. Ayan na. Dinagdagan ko na yan, oh. Hindi ka na nanlugi. Hindi ka na nanlugi, o dami-dami na nun. Bawa, kita ya san hindi ginbutang ba? Kita ya gitang ginbut ngan ko ba? Kita sipat mata ni baby ko daan. Mutaon na ni po sipat mata ni. Kita yan ang tinaguan. Naog na lang tayo, hindi ka magkaon. Naog na lang ta. Kana? Busog ka? Busog ikaw? Busog ang baby out. Buwas na lang yan mait. Okay, butod-tod man ka. Ay, singa-singa bebe ko out. Tinga-tinga yan siya out. Bebe ko yan eh. Ganda-ganda niyan eh. I love you. Ito. And sa'yo na lang to. And sa'yo na lang yung food ng bebe. Ayaw niya kainin eh. And And sa'yo na lang yung foods. No. Sip na ta. And I don't actually, I'm not letting her sleep in my bed, you all, because I once bring her in my bed and then she peed. So I didn't let her play or sleep on my bed, because she might get used to it. When she grow big, she would just go in my bed and sleep there. So no, I'm not letting her. And I'm actually teaching her a behavior that I don't want her to adopt, which is getting used to eat on a table. So I would have to revert that, you all. I would have to train her eating on the floor instead of here on a table. No. Kasi baka pag bumisita kami sa mga bahay-bahay, masanayan siya nasa table na kain. Papagalitan niya ng tao. No, papagalitan niya ng tao pag ganun. Dapat masasanayan siya sa floor. Buti lang dito lang po tayo palagi. Hindi naman. Hindi naman lagi dito lang tayo. Gagala-gala kami, tapos sa table kakain, pagalitan. Opo. Pagalitan kami. Be, kaya mas-slip na lang kita. Punas mouth. Magpunas na lang ng mouth yan. Kaya ayaw man yan kumain ng bebe na yan. Kainin mo yung food mo. Ay, halika na nga. Tulog na lang tayo. Tutulog na lang kami. Ay, ang baby ko ay pasaway. Lalagyan ko ng chalk ang paligid ng iyong food. Para yung langgam matedo. Lalagyan natin ng chalk around it. So that ants could not get into it. Right? 2 layer of chalk. Papa, ayaw mo naman kumain eh. Tulog tayo. Kugatin ko tenga mo eh. Papa, let's sleep. We're gonna sleep, you all. We're gonna sleep. Hindi na kami kakain. Okay na, sleep na kami. Bye-bye na kayo all. Bye-bye you all. Good night. Good night sa baby. Okay, ayusin natin yung bed mo. Sleep na. Hindi ka man nakain. Wala ka man nakain. Hindi ka man gustong kumain. Sabay na kayo all. You all bye-bye. Mwah. May sleep na rin ako. Sleep na. Baka gusto niya magpapasipin na naman siya nakin. Gusto mo na Ellie, my baby. Ellie, tulog danay. Wala diri, imo papay. Atutinda, bakal papay. Ellie, tulog anay. Ay, awake na awake ang baby ko. Awake na awake yan siya. Ayaw mo man kumaon. Ano ba? Lablab yan eh. Lablab yung baby na yan eh. Sleep. Sleep. La 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 la. La 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 la. Kaya matulog. Ang gagawin natin dito. Tapon ko na lang kaya to. Tapon kita eh. Gusto mo ba yun? Ano? Hindi ka nga. Gagawin mo. Gabi na. Gabi na po. Gabi na. Ano? Mait na yata. Gusto niyang umit. Maarte lang siya. Oh. Jump ka dyan. Jump. Yeah. Yan, nakainom na yung food mo. Oh. Ayaw talaga. Okay. Baba na tayo. Ihi ka dyan. Ayaw. Diwag. I'm gonna sleep na. I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna kill the light. I'm gonna sleep. Bahala ka dyan. Just gonna go back to her bed.